parties in LA. Please, baby, no more parties in LA. Come on, man. Holy shit. A little bit sketchy with snow tires for sure. Bag secured. Not gonna be ripping around too much now that I got the Chipotle. I can't lose that. Just found out I wasn't recording. I was just talking to myself for a little while. But yeah, I don't know if I want to get headers, to be honest. I don't want to. I really like the tone that it has now, and the headers will make it a little more raspy. Obviously you get some power, but I've seen some videos of people with gutted primary cats on this car, and I think those sound pretty good. Yeah, we'll have to see. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Those cars right there are fucking tanks. Subaru Foresters. I knew someone with one, it just wouldn't die. She didn't have any oil in it, nothing. Thing just wouldn't die though. Like this coronavirus shit is lasting like a Honda Civic or a Subaru Forester. Shit ain't going away. That was a cop that bugged. This is my favorite part. Mother. Holy. live around here. Brakes are definitely hot. Engine oil is getting hot. All right, we're back. Back at the crib. I'm moving soon. Won't be living here much longer. Also, let me show you guys. I got a lip. Forgot to make a video about it. Didn't want to show you guys because car is so dirty and we're gonna get another snowstorm, but alright. Yeah, here's the lip. It's from Souvenir. Pretty nice. Stands out, more aggressive. Couldn't get the fitment exactly perfect. Tried to do it myself with my buddy, but it's pretty good unless you get up really close. You'll see there's a little gap there. Yeah, nice little mod. Definitely want the headlights next. They're probably like a summer tire, then the headlights, then maybe a tune.